originally came as a visitor to the Butterfly Rainforest, and I remember I just got my first camera Easter of 2006, and started photographing butterflies, and I wanted to know what it was I was photographing. So I started teaching myself, and I started coming back more and enjoying it more, and I ended up getting an annual pass and started visiting every week. And eventually I got to the point where I wanted to know if they were hiring. The answer was yes, and next thing I knew I was an employee and moved up to assistant manager.